Good morning. This is Kristoph out at the property and letting the dog out. Come on, dog. Come on. Cinnamon. Okay. So, I guess it rained a few days ago, but not that bad. My uncle came out, so everything was fine. Just got out here, just going to do a short little thing because I didn't walk inside the other day. So, here we go. Doors open. Sorry, Lorraine. Hey. Alright, so we got
cinnamon.
This out of the bedroom.
And I'm gonna fix it.
She's gonna fix it with some wood putty. Got some stuff there. That's a big old cast iron wood burning stove, which is gonna go right there. Got the kitchen. Bunch of plywood. Notice this cabinets right here are gone. Took them out. More curtains. Hey, Cinnamon. Where's your good girl? Anyway. Oh yeah, I took this table, I guess it's a desk, it's out in the front yard. Still need to take that one out. And, whoa, I'm getting dizzy. This one right here, this one's going to go out too. So, right now, gotta get busy. I got some things to do. Oh, look. Fun with wood putty. Yay. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, hoses. Got a bunch of hoses ready to go. Talking about getting a 1,000-gallon water tank to put up on a little tower over here so we can get water going. I mean, we have my cousin's well, which works just fine, but we can't use his tank because it's sitting on the ground, which is fine. I still need to get my own tank anyway. All that being said, we were here to do some vacuuming and some other stuff. Brought my Briggs & Stratton professional 420cc monstrosity of a, what is that, generator. You can do some vacuuming of some dust and whatnot, or whatever it is she has to clean out from the deep crevices under cabinets and things. I think we're also going to make a run to the hardware store for more T-posts, possibly some more wire, chicken wire type stuff, and I think that's going to be our deal for the day. So if you like what I'm doing out here and you support the whole project, because this is quite a project, like, subscribe, share, and comment. And thank you very much. Have a good day.